Good morning all. I hope you all are doing good. Yes? Okay. So babies, today is Tuesday and we are doing English. So let's begin the day with the date first. So today's date is 19th October 2020 and day is Tuesday. Day is Tuesday. Okay? Babies, last time we did opposites. Okay? So, are you practicing that? Yes or no? Yes? Okay, let's revise them one more time. Okay? So, see them. What is the opposite of good? Bad. Good, bad. Tall, short. Tall, short. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. Up, up, down. Up, down. Apple. The apple is in the jar and the apple is out of the jar. So in and out. In, out. Day. This is daytime, okay? And night. What do you see in the daytime? Sun? Yes. And birds? And what do you see in the night time? Moon, stars. Yes? Okay. Now, this is my right hand and this is my left hand. Right, left. Right, left. Okay. Big, big. Small, big, small. Dry, wet. Dry, wet. Show me a happy face and sad face. So, happy, happy, sad. Happy, sad. Black, white. Black, white. The lock is open, close. Open, close. How is the lemon taste? Sour, sour. And the candy taste? Sweet, sweet, sour. Sweet, sour. Yes? So, keep revising our opposites also and genders also. Okay? Now, today we have a new topic. Okay? We have got a new topic and the topic is action words. Action words. So, what do you understand by action? Action? What is action? If we are doing something physically or mentally, if we are doing something, if we are thinking, we are writing, jumping, singing, okay? So, when we are doing something mentally and physically, we can call it verbs also and they are action words. They are action words. Okay? So, today we will do some action words. Okay? Now, see. Can you see this boy? What is this boy doing? What is this small little boy doing? Clapping. Now, you also do clapping. So, we are doing some action. Yes? Clapping. Okay? Now, what is this small cute baby doing? This is crawling. This baby is crawling. Okay? So, crawling is an action. Crawling is an action. And what is this uncle doing? He is saying something. Speaking. Okay? And What is this girl doing? She is dancing. So dancing. What work she is doing? She is dancing. Okay. And the peacock is also dancing. Yes. Okay. So in action words you will see that we'll add ing in the end of the word. Okay. What will we are going to add? ing. Okay. That means the work is happening. We are doing some work. Okay. हम कुछ काम कर रहे हैं. We are doing some work. Alright. So what I am doing right now? I am teaching. And now I am going to write. So I will be writing. Okay. See at the board. Now the first word is J, A, M, P, jump. J, P, jump. Yes, if I'll add ing, it will become an action word. Jumping. Jumping means the girl is, they are jumping. Okay, jumping. ing, jumping. Okay, the second word is, okay, now tell me what I am doing. Clapping. So clap. Clap. Now you have to be careful that there you will add one more P. Okay, clapping. P and then ing. Ing. Clapping. Okay. Now the third word is, how many of you like to go for running? You like to go for running? Okay. So the word is run. If I'll add one more, I have to add one more now here. And then ing. Running. Okay. Now the fourth word is eating. Eating. Eat something. Okay. Eating. I am eating an apple. Eating. Eating. Then sitting. Okay, my grandpa is sitting on the chair. Sitting. Sitting. Okay. Now the next word is drinking. So I am drinking a glass of juice. Yes. Drinking. Ink. Ink. Drink. Ing. Drinking. Yes. Okay, the next word is standing. I am standing right now. Okay, standing. 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 And the last word is hopping. The frog is hopping. Okay, hopping. O P double P ing. Hopping. Yes. So just let's revise all these words one more time. jumping, clapping, running, eating, sitting, drinking, standing and hopping. Yes, so what are common in all these words? That they all these words are ending with ing. With ing. Inaga, ing. So they all are action words. We can see this some action is happening here. Yes. So now do you understand what are action words? Okay. So babies, this is all for today. Have a nice day.